Ninth Standard Sociology, Chapter 1, Family. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, the word family is derived from the Latin word dash. Answer is famulus. Second one, the cell of the society is dash. Answer is family. Third question. If the father is the head of the family, that family is called as dash. Answer is patriarchal family. Fourth one. Among the Nayars of Kerala, dash family is found. Answer is matriarchal. Second main, answer the following. First question, how does the family become a social unit? Though family is a small institution, it is the basic institution of the society. All the activities of the society are conducted on the basis of the family. The members of the family are the members of the social institutions also. Every activities of social institutions start from the family. The political, economical, educational and several other activities of the society begin from the family. During earlier times, the family was sending its members to participate in the important activities of the local community. Now, due to the increased complexity of the social life, many functions of the family has been assigned to various other social institutions. In this way, family becomes a social unit. Second question, mention the types of family. Answer is family based on the residence of the spouse, matrilocal residence and patrilocal residence. On the basis of nature of authority, family is classified as matriarchal and patriarchal family. On the basis of ancestry or descent, family is also classified as matrilineal and patrilineal family. Based on the structure and the generations live together, families are divided as nuclear family, joint family and extended family. Question number 3. What is a joint family? The family which has people of more than 2 generations, consisting of parents, their children, grandchildren and great children, is called joint family. Fourth one, what is a nuclear family? Answer is family that consists of father, mother and their unmarried children as members is called as nuclear family? Fifth question, what are the characteristics of a family? The characteristics of a family are: family is universal. It is the basic unit for all social activities. Continuous responsibility and social accountability. Bringing up and nurturing. Teaches social behavior. It instructs the tradition. These are all the characteristics of a family. Sixth question, discuss the role of family in individual social development stages. Answer is: the childhood and adolescence are very important stages in the process of socialization. A child learns its mother tongue in the family. It understands the social life around it through the mastered mother tongue. Children develop as per the social situation around the family. The family teaches the children about the ways of interacting with the elders and the peer group. This means the social behavior, its demands and taboos indirectly control the children. The family teaches behaviors like friendship, freedom and security during childhood, adolescence, adulthood and old age. These are all about the role of family in individual social development stage. Question number 7. Explain the characteristics of a joint family. First one, large in size. Members are more in the joint family because it consists of people of 2 or more generations under the same roof, so it is large in size. Second one, coordination and cooperation. The members of the joint family cooperate in all activities of the day-to-day life. Third one, residence and kitchen. Members of the joint family normally reside together under the same roof. Though the members reside separately for various reasons, they continue to associate with the main family in various religious rituals, festivals and practices. Fourth one, religion. Members of the joint family believe in the same religion and practice their worship and religious beliefs are common in nature. Fifth one, self-sufficient unit. Joint family is a self-sufficient unit. It satisfies all the needs of family members. Last feature, structure of authority. The senior members of the joint family are entrusted with the authority and responsibility. The handing over of authority is based on the seniority in the family. These are the characteristics of a joint family. Question number 8. What are the reasons for the increase of nuclear families in the present days? The reasons for the increase of nuclear families in the present days are: individuality, focus on individual achievement, concept of individual happiness, change in value system with regard to rights of property. Progress in the areas of science and technology, rapid urbanization, democratic values and concept of equality. These are all the reasons for the increase of nuclear families in the present days.